Prime Channel. Kung wala pa kayo niyan sa inyong cable systems, magpalit na kayo ng cable system. Instant replay po hatid sa inyo ng Santa Ana Park. Sa aksyon, patok!
And the rope. Early lead, Devil in Disguise, Super Elegant, Angie Gray moving up on the farther outside is Anone. And the lead is taken over now by Anone, Angie Gray, Alisa's Choice. And in between horses is Tucker's Pride. And as they leave the straight, it's Anone on the outside, Angie Gray, Tucker's Pride, Super Elegant, Alisa's Choice. And Dreaming Again, and Devil in Disguise, Terrible Friend on the outside. Lack of the Iris, Santos, Santito, and Magic Thunder is bringing up the rear. The mid-back stretch, Anone by 3 lengths, followed by Tucker's Pride and Angie Gray, Super Elegant, Alisa's Choice, Dreaming Again, King Anthony, and by the rail is Devil in Disguise, Terrible Friend, and Lack of the Iris, Santos, Santito, and Magic Thunder. Rounding the part 10, it's still Anone maintaining a 4 lengths lead. Angie Gray now running in second, but it's still Anone in the lead by 3.5 lengths, followed by Angie Gray. And moving up on the inside is King Anthony and Alisa's Choice on the outside. And at the top of the stretch, it is still Anone in the lead. It's still Anone by 2.5 lengths and Angie Gray on the outside. But it's still Anone in the lead and Angie Gray on the outside. It's Anone by the rail. Angie Gray moving up on the outside. Anone, Angie Gray on the outside. And finally, it's Angie Gray, Anone, King Anthony, Alisa's Choice, Terrible Friend, Devil in Disguise.